You need to understand that the basic function or objective of a research is to answer why and how of a phenomena or an issue. Why is an issue occurring and how is it occurring? And while you are looking answers for this why and how, you might come across you might be looking for answers to what is the phenomena, when has this phenomena started and initiated, how much, what is the amplitude, what is the prevalence, what is the frequency of the phenomena. It's also these all these you might be coming across so many different questions while finding out the answers for why and how of a phenomena. This is the prime objective of the research. Some other objectives, other prime objectives can include it to discover new facts, to verify or test important existing facts, to analyze an event or process or phenomena, to identify the cause and effect relationship, to develop new scientific tools, concepts, and theories to solve and understand scientific problems. You might be you might be establishing new protocols, standard operating procedures for let's say for identification of microorganisms. That can be a research. You and research is also conducted to find out solution to a problem. All these questions have relevance to any discipline, whether you are talking about the social sciences or arts humanities, but medicine seems to have special appetite for such inquiries, the one we listed above, because the thing is, the goal of the medical research is to improve health. And this is not a luxury. This is the thing with the medical sciences. Medical sciences doesn't deal with luxury, like you want to develop some electronic vehicle, electronic cars. You want to develop some batteries which long laster than 20 years. That can be something of utmost important to humanity, but they are not necessity. Necessity is something which comes across a lot in medical sciences. Like this corona pandemic is affecting throughout the world, and now all the world, WHO is pouring so many fundings throughout the world. Every government is pouring so much funding into the testing of the persons as well as development of the vaccine. So it deals with the human health. So, and the purpose is to learn how systems in the body work, human body work, why we get sick, how to get back to health and stay fit. So this is the purpose of medical sciences. A researcher should be patient. Your study might take time. The experiments you might need to repeat it, especially in biomedical sciences. You never know what the results can be. 2 plus 2 is not necessarily 4. So you should be ambitious. That's very important. A researcher should be ambitious. He should be curious about some phenomena. Only then he is going to look out for some answers for that very problem. And remember, it's a research. It's not something which is totally, you are going to re-examine most of the time, re-examining the things. You are going to examining the things with a different perspective. That's the research.